Servus and welcome! I'm René, a senior consultant at Tenfold, and in this video we will cover profiles, aka business roles. You can create them either manually via navigating to Governance, Profiles, Manage, and hit New. Automatic assigned profiles or business roles usually just need 3 tabs. It's first the general one for a specific name, second one is the automatic assignment. You can use an existing field rule or create a new one in this screen. In my case, I already got an existing one, so I will use that one. And the third tab will be the resources, where you decide what content or permissions the user should get automatically if this profile is assigned. If you hit save, the profile is created and can be used. Automatic assigned profiles need to be manually aligned after creating them. Else the profile will only be added to a user if the user is newly created or the user changes department in this case, or if the user fulfills the new condition. After you hit next, Tenfold will automatically create 3 requests, assigning the profile and its content to them. The second way how to create profiles is using the Profile Assistant, again in Governance, Profiles, Assistant. In this screen, you can set a filter based on the organizational structure those users share. In my case, I'm gonna choose Vienna here as the office, and it will show me what all those users in this office will have in common. In this case, I would use this Active Directory group as base on my profile. After I took a good look, I click on Complete Profile Import, choose the Active Directory group I want to add to the profile, and complete the profile import. We can select a selection here, either creating a new profile or importing this content into an existing one. I choose Create New Profile because I do not have a profile yet for Vienna. And for automatic assignment, I choose to create a new field rule from the Profile Assistant filter that we chose before. Now we need a name. My naming convention is always the same. The first part is usually the person field that I'm checking for, and the second part is the expected value. In this case, Vienna. I copy this, and paste it into the profile name. And now the profile is finished. As I already said, profiles will be aligned automatically if their conditions are met, based on the field rule that we assign to them. If a user does not fulfill a condition, if a person change is triggered, let's say changes department or they change office, the automatic assigned profile will be unassigned. And if they switch to another department or another office that are already covered by automatic aligned profiles, they will be added to those new profiles.